Assalamualaikum. The 5 pillars of Islam. Fasting during Ramadan o Sawm. A physically able pubescent Muslim must fast during the lunar month of Ramadan. This month is significant because the first revelation of the Quran to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam occurred during this month. Since a year in the lunar calendar is 11 days shorter than the solar calendar, the month of Ramadan gradually passes through all seasons of the year. Just as almsgiving is a form of wealth purification, fasting is a form of self-purification. Fasting begins at dawn and ends at sunset, local time. During daylight hours, a fasting person must abstain from food, drink, and marital sexual intercourse. Those activities are permissible from sunset to the following dawn. Fasting teaches self-control and patience, like prayer. Fasting is a way of turning to God in sincere worship. The 2 holidays for Muslims are Eid al-Fitr, which is celebrated at the end of Ramadan, and Eid al-Adha, which is celebrated at the end of Hajj. Fasting reminds us of the condition of the needy and gives us appreciation for the simple blessings we often take for granted, such as drinking a glass of pure water or eating food at will.